In this video, I'm going to be trading OTC currency pairs on the pocket option platform utilizing the Parabolic SAR indicator and the ADX indicator. Gus Schmidt here, and I'm back again with a new trading video. So today I'm on the pocket option platform, and as I mentioned, I'll be trading OTC currency pairs. It's the weekend, so only OTC pairs are available to trade. So if I go into my assets icon here, pocket option has various assets available to trade: currencies, cryptocurrencies, commodities, stocks, and indices. So being that it's the weekend, only the OTC assets are available. I'll be focusing on currency pairs here. So when we click on the currency icon here, this drop down menu shows, and I've already checked off all the various currency pairs. So when you check off the star icon here, the currency pair shows up at the top of the chart here. So I can go through and analyze all the various currency pairs quickly. All right, so on the indicators, like I mentioned, I'm going to be utilizing two indicators: the Parabolic SAR indicator here, which is here, and the ADX indicator, okay? And for the Parabolic SAR indicator, when we click on the settings pencil here, I have the acceleration set to 0.025, maximum acceleration set to 0.25. And in the style settings, I have the dot set to green with a line width of 2 pixels. So we'll go ahead and save that. And for the ADX indicator, I have the ADX smoothing set to 14, the DI length set to 7, and in the style settings, I've disabled the ADX line here. We don't need that. And I've set the plus DI line to green 2 pixels, the minus DI line to red 2 pixels. So we go ahead and save that. And for the candlestick charts, I have my candle set to 1 minute, regular Japanese candles here. And for my trade timer, I have the timer set to 2 minutes. So I'll be taking 2-minute trades while looking at these 1-minute candles. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pause the video and look for some setups. Okay, so I'm on ZAR USD, and I'm going to go ahead and take a sell trade here. And the reason why I took the sell trade is we see there's been a bullish momentum, bullish direction in the price, but here parabolic SAR dots begin to print above the candles here, suggesting a bearish reversal. And then secondly, here we see the minus ADX line, the red ADX line crossing the green ADX line in an upward direction. So this suggests the bearish momentum is stronger than the bullish momentum. So let's monitor this trade and wait till about 30 seconds left in the trade, and I'll come back and look at the results of the trade. Okay, so I'm back with about 30 seconds left in the trade. Like I mentioned, the parabolic SAR dots began to print above the candles here, and then we're seeing this ADX line, the minus ADX, the red line crossing above the plus ADX line, and that tells us that the bears have taken over. So let's wait for the expiration. Okay, so that trade was in the money. All right, so I'm going to pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on USD, Swiss franc, OTC, and I'm going to go ahead and take a sell trade here. And the reason why I took the sell trade here, we're seeing a bearish uh, trend in the current price here. In addition to that, we see these three parabolic SAR dots print above the candles here, suggesting a bearish movement to the downside. But in addition to that, the the minus ADX line here has crossed the green ADX line here in an upward direction, which tells me that the bearish momentum is stronger here. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Okay, so that trade was in the money. All right, so I'm going to pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar, OTC, and I just took a sell trade here. And the reason why I took the sell trade, first of all, the parabolic SAR dots here have begun to print above the candles here, suggesting a bearish reversal. Okay, but number two, the ADX, the red ADX, the minus ADX line has crossed the green ADX, which suggests a strong bearish takeover. The bears have uh, the bears are stronger than the bulls right now, so this suggests a continued bullish bearish push to the downside in the price of the OTC, the Aussie dollar Canadian dollar pair here. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Okay, so yes, that trade was in the money. All right, so I'm going to pause the video and let's find the next setup. So I'm on Euro New Zealand dollar OTC, and I'm going to go ahead and take a buy trade here. Okay, and the reason why I took the buy trade here is the parabolic SAR dot just printed below the candle here. And secondly here, we're seeing the plus ADX line crossing the red ADX line here in an upward direction. So this tells me that the bulls are stronger than the bears. and that there would be a continued push to the upside in the price of the currency pair here. The ADX is an extremely powerful indicator. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Like I mentioned, we look for the parabolic SAR dots to print below the candles. So this tells us there's a bullish reversal occurring here. And then the green ADX crossing the red ADX, the plus ADX line crossing the minus ADX tells us the bulls are in control. We have a few seconds left in the trade. As predicted, there's still a bullish momentum here. Okay, so that trade was in the money. All right. So let me pause the video and look for one more setup. Okay, so I'm on USD DZD, and I'm gonna go ahead and take a buy trade here. And the reason why I took the buy trade here, parabolic SAR dot, the first dot began to print above the, below the candle here, suggesting a bullish momentum to the upside. But also the ADX, the plus ADX line here, the green plus ADX line crosses the red ADX line here in an upward direction. So this tells me the bulls have taken over the bears and that we're going to see a continued push to the upside in the price of the currency pair. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Okay, great. So that trade was in the money. We had a great session here. So I'm going to end the session here. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment if you have any questions about the strategy. Subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with my latest trading strategies. I also have a link to the pocket option platform in the video comments and or in the channel description if you're interested in trading this strategy. I recommend you trade on the demo account first to practice and to refine your trading technique. Also, I wanted to make note that I've been risking about 5% of my capital, part of good money management. You don't want to risk high percentages of your capital because ultimately you will sustain losses. So you want to minimize your losses and maximize your wins. That way you'll grow your account slowly but surely over time. Okay, so once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Gus Schmidt. Parabolic SAR ADX trading strategy.